STEM in Elementary Classrooms by Carrie Moore. Our world is ever-changing, and society and education must step up the pace to keep up with these changes. STEM is a growing trend in education, not only in the United States but around the world. STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and math. STEM education is providing students with unique opportunities like never before. It focuses on hands-on learning with real-world applications. According to Maria Norris in 2021, STEM education offers learners a new perspective of our world. It focuses on the growth of the individual's mindset, where learners become more employable and able to meet future labor demands. STEM education goes beyond school subjects. It gives a skill set that governs the way that we behave and think. Merging science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM education helps us to solve the challenges the world faces today. STEM helps learners become better, not just as researchers, but also as critical thinkers. It encourages teamwork and collaboration for professionals from different disciplines. STEM enables flexibility, making connections, and communication of global issues. STEM moves us towards a more knowledge-based society. Garrett Sowards in 2021 illustrates throughout his article, Top 16 Benefits of STEM Education, the various ways that STEM education aids students. He explains the numerous benefits of providing these learning opportunities for students. STEM helps develop stronger foundations in math and science for students. When students enter the workforce, many jobs require STEM knowledge. Students experience a greater sense of confidence and competence in their abilities. STEM knowledge provides essential problem-solving and critical thinking skills. STEM promotes ingenuity and creativity. Students are encouraged to experiment and push past perceived boundaries. Students develop curiosity, innovation, and resourcefulness. Soward goes on to explain that STEM fosters scientific literacy, where students are leaders. Students are encouraged to answer questions and solve problems through active engagement. It helps strengthen social-emotional learning, creates problem solvers, and provides more career opportunities. Through STEM education, students learn about safe environments and how to communicate and collaborate with peers. It emphasizes preparing future generations for success in their careers. According to Sonia Jacobson in 2019, STEM education inspires students to think, collaborate, problem solve, and create and test ideas while building with their hands. In the article, 6 Characteristics of Effective STEM Classroom Design, she suggests building a classroom that supports successful STEM learning. For STEM learning to be successful, there must be able to accommodate the projects associated with STEM learning. This means the classroom must be flexible, have simple furnishings that can be used for lectures and note-taking, as well as messy science experiments. The furnishings must also be mobile and easily moved, giving each student or group an area where they can comfortably complete their work. A STEM classroom should also be integrated with all types of technology to allow the students to collaborate in teams, complete research, and design solutions. An effective STEM classroom is also well organized, including supplies necessary to complete the task on hand, time, and storage. Learning should be flipped, where the teacher serves as the guide, but the learning is student-led. The students should also be working in teams where listening and respect are encouraged. By implementing these 6 characteristics, the STEM classroom will serve as a positive environment where students can thrive. Jacobson also lists 10 common mistakes educators make to create a less effective STEM environment for students. The first mistake is focusing on success. STEM teaches students to embrace failure and learn by continuing to problem solve for solutions. Failure can cultivate new ideas for adjustment. Create a comfortable environment where students feel safe to try new ideas. Jacobson also advises against being too organized, as it can limit a student's creativity. Don't give too many instructions or guidelines. Let the learning be student-led. Another common mistake is not providing storage space for projects that can take multiple lessons to complete. It is also important to remember that it is common for the learning space to be silent or very noisy. Also note that students will have numerous questions when working on STEM projects. STEM is all about learning together and collaborating. Allow students to learn from each other. Keep your workspace flexible and assign roles. Finally, remember to plan, organize the materials, and be ready to assist your students, but don't take over the project. STEM integration. With STEM becoming more and more prevalent in our elementary classrooms, researchers are analyzing the integration of STEM across the 4 phases of learning: professional development, lesson planning, classroom engagement, and post-lesson reflection. According to Apaza and Tank in 2017, research indicated that by including engineering experiences within the STEM curriculum, young students better understand that many different roles of engineering found in society, providing opportunities to engage in real-world context and problem-solving skills. The study suggests that elementary classrooms can provide a powerful environment for the implementation and learning of STEM. They go on to state that the most effective way to support STEM education is through systematic and high-quality professional development for educators. Such professional development provides teachers with the knowledge, challenges beliefs, improves practices, and fosters student learning. They suggest that for STEM integration to be high quality, the learning experiences should include rich and engaging context that allows students to enter into the problem through multiple entry points, engineering design experiences where students can learn from failure, and the standard-based mathematics and science content through student-centered pedagogies that promote teamwork and communication skills. The article indicates that the best way to implement STEM in any classroom is through hands-on learning, ranked the most effective in learning practices. Integrating real-world issues into more than one subject area is the second most effective way to implement STEM. Exploring a new subject does not have to be limited to math and science. Infuse other subjects with the concepts, including adding the new idea to language arts classes. Making real-world connections brings the subject into the perspective for the students. According to Kettler and Margot in 2019, teacher perspectives play an essential role in achieving high-quality STEM education. The teacher's prior views and experiences influence STEM education. The study, Teachers' Perception of STEM Integration in Education, explains that while instructors value STEM education, they are faced with many obstacles, including challenges with pedagogy, curriculum, and structure. These participants also expressed a concern about students and assignments. They expressed a lack of support, feeling that the implementation of STEM in the classroom would improve if they received proper support and professional development opportunities. Through STEM, teachers must provide in-depth problem-solving skills through authentic experiences. Educators must understand and value student-directed pedagogies. These teachers must know their subject matter and that of the other disciplines. Through these experiences, the teachers enable their students to learn by doing, redefine ideas, fail, and persevere through solving ill-defined problems. What lies ahead? In an article by Purdue University, the Department of Labor estimates that more than 65% of students will grow up and select careers that are yet to exist. STEM careers are central to these yet-to-be-discovered career choices, and exposing elementary-age students to STEM will lead to more careers in this area. Research conducted by Purdue University shows that exposure to STEM significantly in the first and third grades builds a greater foundation necessary to increase STEM-related careers. The university states that such exposure will seize their imaginations and hold their interest in science, technology, engineering, and mathematic-related jobs. According to Fayer, Lacey, and Watson in 2017, there were almost 8.6 million STEM jobs in May of 2015, most related to computers and informational systems. They estimate the national average for STEM occupation wages is nearly double compared to those of non-STEM occupations, with 93% being significantly higher than the national average. Employment within STEM occupations has grown by more than 10% between May of 2009 and May of 2015. It is also projected that they grow by another 10% by 2028. In conclusion, STEM education is becoming more vital to our ever-changing world. STEM education helps today's students to focus on logical thought processes that develop habits that will help them succeed in the future. Through these courses, students are challenged to think critically and find solutions. STEM education is helping to create tomorrow's innovators.